today we'll be doing a tutorial on ScriptSwap, which is a space to access plugins for 3ds Max. So more specifically, we'll be looking at DebrisMaker, and this is a tool for making 3D geometry that you might use in the background of your 3D scenes. So it could be a brick wall, corrugated metal, even some grass, so just sort of background materials that you might use. So yeah, we'll jump in to 3ds. So once you've loaded it in, you'll be greeted with this. So come here, this is where you launch it, you get this little pop-up tab, and you can basically just play around with how the brick might look. So we'll just generate one here. So yep, that's just sort of very standard, more like a Besser block, I suppose. And if you wanted to go a little bit more detailed with a normal brick, we can then set that as a masonry wall. We can play around a little bit with the height and the width, so maybe 10 by 10. And there you go. So that'll generate a brick wall. And then a couple of other points to note. So we might do like a corrugated metal. So again, you might want to turn this off because I believe this warps and does some interesting things with the material. But yeah, again, so this has made us some corrugated panels which we could use within our space. And again, you might set them up, and then using your different movement tools within 3ds help you to set up some of these. And again, you can also, the great thing here is that these come into your modifier list, so you can actually play around a little bit with these again within the modifier list once they've been made over in with DebrisMaker. And again, we'll generate another one, so I'll just delete these for now. So we've also got, we'll do something maybe like some stone that you might use. So this could be in the scene background of some renders. So again, you can play around with them and the sizings, and yep, here we go. And these can be then materialized later on when you're doing some rendering per se. And yeah, that's pretty much DebrisMaker. So yeah, a great tool for making some 3D geometry that you might potentially use in your 3ds space. And yeah, it's just a cool tool to play around with. And that's it. Thank you.